Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful bubble stitch. I know you can think it like that's a difficult stitch, but it's not. You will see it's just 4-row repeat. Two of these rows are only single crochet. If you follow this tutorial carefully, you can make this easily. You can use this stitch for your shawls and blankets and maybe baby dress. It could be a nice skirt for a baby dress. And I'm sure you can find some beautiful ideas. I will be so happy if you share them, if you write comments. I'm gonna use a 4mm hook and category 3 yarns. You can choose your own yarn and hook, of course. If you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch you will need multiples of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's enough for me. Just turn back and skip this first stitch into the second. Insert, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. Into the next, put a single crochet, next single crochet. Just make one single crochet into each stitch. When you reach to the end, insert, grab the yarn, and we are gonna change the yarn. I'm gonna use a multicolor yarn, but you can use different colors, different yarns if you want. Make a chain, turn, insert into this first stitch, make a single crochet. Into the next, make a single crochet. Keep making single crochets for this row. When you reach to the end, just put a single crochet, chain 1 and turn. Now for this row, into this first stitch, put a single crochet, into the next, put a single crochet, make 1 more. We made 3 single crochets totally. Into this next stitch, we are gonna make a bubble stitch. How to make it? Yarn over, insert into this stitch, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 and leave this. Don't complete this double crochet. Just a second. Yes, Mishuk is here. We start to make a double crochet and don't complete it. Yarn over, insert into the same place, grab the yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert same place, grab the yarn, pull through 2. I made 3 now. It's 4, 5 and 6. When you make 6 half, you are gonna have 7 loops on the hook. You can make this with 5 half of a double crochet too. It's up to you. Yarn over and pull through all. Then make a chain. Make 1, 2, 3 single crochets. You see, this side will be the right side of our work. I made 3. Into the next, I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over, pull through all, close with a chain. Starting from the next stitch, make 3 single crochets. Into the next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull through all, make a chain, and you will have 3 stitches left. Just put 3 single crochets. Don't complete the last one. Insert here, grab the yarn, complete it with the first color. I'm carrying this yarn with me. If you want, you can cut and tie it for every 2 rows. Chain 1 and turn. Now here you must be a little careful because that's the trickiest part. Insert into this first stitch and make a single crochet. Yarn over twice. Now we are gonna make a front post treble, but around where? Around this stitch. You see this bubble? This stitch is under this bubble. You see, you are gonna skip 1, 2, 3 stitch around this 4th one. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2, 2, 2. But that's a treble. Now you're gonna skip this stitch because we made this treble. Okay, skip this one. Into the next, put a single crochet. And there is a chain stitch. As you know, we made a chain for this bubble. You're gonna skip this chain. If you make a single crochet here, you will have more stitches than you need. Around here, actually, you can make a single crochet. That's the actual stitch. You can make a single crochet here and skip here. But I think it's be better if we use here. I made 1, 2, 3 stitches. Now we are gonna make front post trebles again, but we are gonna make 2 front post trebles together. We made a treble here, only 1 treble, just for the beginning and the end. Except this, you will always make 2 trebles together. And now I'm gonna show you. Yarn over twice. Turn back here, the same stitch. Start for a treble. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and don't complete this. Yarn over twice and skip 1, 2, 3 stitch into this 4th, around this 4th. Make 1, 2. You will have 3 loops on the hook. yarn over, pull through. Why are we making this? Because we need to have only one stitch here, and we are going to skip only one stitch. We are trying to hold our stitch counts stable. Two, three, yarn over twice around the same place, start for a treble, 1, 2, okay, don't complete it, yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3, complete it, just skip 1, make 1, skip this chain, 2 and 3. You're gonna repeat this as long as you need. Then in the end, yarn over twice around this same stitch, make it treble, skip this stitch, and you will have one last stitch. Just put a single crochet here. Then chain 1, turn. For this row, you will only make single crochets. Put one single crochet into each stitch. See you at the end. Now here I'm gonna change the color. Chain 1, turn. Starting from here, we are gonna repeat these row 2, 3, 4 and 5. For this row, we are gonna make single crochets. And you complete the row, chain 1, turn, make 3 single crochets into the 4th stitch. You are gonna make a bobble, close with a chain, then make 1, 2, 3, make 3 single crochets. I have a new color. And make 1, 2, 3, change the color, turn, and make 1 single crochet. Yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3 around the 4th, make a treble, skip 1 stitch, make 1, 2, 3 single crochets, yarn over twice, one, 2, yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3, skip 1 stitch, turn back here, 1, 2, 1, 2, and close it. Skip 1, 3, yarn over twice in the end. You're gonna make a treble, skip 1 stitch and put a single crochet, chain 1, turn and make single crochets, and that's our first row. And starting from here, I think you're gonna make it all by yourself. And hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address and it's also my website, Ravelry, Etsy, and Pinterest, Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.